Hello guys, again welcome to my channel. So it's our fourth video of crystallography. So in पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था क्रिस्टल एक्सटर्नल फीचर्स ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स. ओके, सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक मैथमेटिकल रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस external feature of a crystal, that is the Euler's formula or Euler's theorem. Okay, so before that I want to recall these external features of crystal which discussed in the previous video. So first will be the phase. So मैंने कहा था phase is the external expression of the internal atomic arrangement. क्रिस्टल का इंटरनल एटॉमिक अरेंजमेंट जैसा होगा उसका फेस वैसे ही होगा. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज द एक्सटर्नल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द इंटरनल एटॉमिक अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द क्रिस्टल. देन एज, it is the line of intersection of two consecutive phases. Okay, here this is one phase and this is one phase, two consecutive phases. But this line is the intersection of this phase and this phase. Okay, so this is one of the edge of that crystal. Clear? Then solid angle. The solid angle means it is the angle which formed by the intersection or the meeting point of three consecutive phases. Similarly, like edge, I told that it is the intersection point of two consecutive phases. Okay, but solid angle is that it is a point where three or more phases are meet together. That is called as the solid angle. Here the solid angle is this. This is the solid angle. 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 Okay, there are 8 solid angles are present. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are present, and how much faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are present. Clear? Then we go to the main topic. Then today we discuss about Euler's theorem. So what is Euler's theorem? Euler is a scientist name which provide a mathematical formula which show that F plus S is equal to E plus 2. What does it mean? F mainly refers to the number of phases, S mainly refers to the number of solid angles, and E mainly refers to the number of edges. Okay, so according to this formula, it means that the number of phases plus number of solid angles is equal to number of edges plus 2. Okay, so you have to remember this formula. Then डिफरेंट एंट्रांस एग्जाम जैसे कि एग्जाम BHU में कभी कभी इस फॉर्मूला के रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ देते हैं. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे जो भी क्रिस्टल फेस होता है वो सारे वेरीफाई करते वो सारे वेरीफाई करते यूलर्स थ्योरम को या नहीं. ठीक है, तो इट इज अ टेट्राहेड्रॉन. टेट्राहेड्रॉन, यू नो दैट टेट्रा मीन्स 4, हेड्रॉन मीन्स faces. There are 4 faces are present. Okay, then the number of edges, how many number of edges are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay, there are 6 number of edges and there are 4 number of faces. I already told that. Then how many number of solid angles are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 number of solid angles. So according to Euler's theorem, if we put these values in the corresponding place, then A plus S is equal to E plus 2, then 4 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 2. Okay, you just put these values according to their places. Okay, then we got 8 is equal to 8. That means these crystals verify the Euler's theorem or satisfy the conditions of Euler's theorem. Okay, then I provide another example, that is octahedron. So in case of octahedron, number of faces are 8, number of edges are 12, and number of solid angles are 6. Okay, so according to this Euler's formula, then if we put these values in the corresponding formula, then we got 14 is equal to 14. That means this crystal or the octahedron satisfy the Euler's theorem. Clear? Then secondly, I have a cube. In case of cube, there are 6 number of faces and 12 number of edges, and the solid angles are 8. Okay. So अगर आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हो what is solid angle, what is base and what is face, then please go to the previous video and see that the video is the external features of the crystallography. Okay. See the full video, then you can understand the what is solid angle and what is edge or what is face. Clear? Then also in case of cube, it satisfies the Euler's theorem. So uh, so this is a very important topic as well as very easy topic. Okay. जैसे कि एग्जाम में कभी कभी क्वेश्चन आता है कि इन क्रिस्टल देयर आर नंबर ऑफ फेसेस आर दैट, नंबर ऑफ एजेस आर गिवन, व्हाट इज द सॉलिड एंगल. ओके. तो यू जस्ट put these values in the formulas and get the unknown values. Okay. So it is all about Euler's theorem. So you have to remember this formula. Only you have to remember this formula. What is the formula? A plus A is equal to E plus 2. Only you have to remember this formula. Sorry. Then it is all about the Euler's theorem. Then here for practice, I give two crystals model, and you have to verify the Euler's theorem here. Okay, so if you have any problem, then comment me, then I will try to solve all doubts. Thank you.